Here it is, Optimus Prime, the Tamiya Grand Hauler. It's finally done. All of the pieces are on there. You can see how good the RC 4-wheel drive Chaos rims look, and this bumper with all of the yellow lights inside of it. So I'm going to bring the remote up here right now, and then I'm going to flip this switch here, and then that makes this side able to change all of the lights. So if you go down, it turns on the back lights right here. You can see the backlights there, and then if I come over here and hit it one more time, it's going to put on the front lights and the dome lights on the top.